Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix apps not opening problem on your Windows 11 system. First of all, open settings. For that, right click on start icon and open settings. Then select apps. Then go to install apps. Now we need to select the applications which are not opening properly. For example, I will take Microsoft Store. So search for it. Then on the right side, click on these three dots and select advanced options. Now just scroll down and go to reset section. Click on repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. After that, click on reset and select it. Once done, close this window and move to the next step. Go to search bar, type here settings, and from the search bar click here to open it. After that, from systems section, just scroll down and click on troubleshoot, then click on other troubleshooters, and now just scroll down and go for Windows Store apps and select for run. It will try to detect the problems, also it will try to resolve it. Once done, close this window. Then go to search bar and type here WSRESET W, and then click here to open it. Just wait for some time. It will automatically open Microsoft Store and we'll try to fix the issue. Once done, close this window and simply move to the next step. Go to search bar and type CMD, right click on it and select run as administrator. Now we need to type these commands carefully. Type in sfc space / scan now and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. And once done, let's move to the next step, next command, and we need to press enter to execute them. Now type in DISM space /online space /cleanup -image space /check health, and then hit enter. Now we need to type this command DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter to execute the command. Again, we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, let's move to the next one. Now type DISM /online /cleanup image /scan health and hit enter. Once done, finally type exit to close the command prompt window.